Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you guys are solving one daily question on Leetcode platform. So today we are going to solve day 13 problem of this month on Leetcode. If you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So this is an easy level problem in which we have given an array of string words and we have to return the first palindromic string in the array. If there is no such string, then we have to return an empty string. Okay, and a string is palindromic if it reads the same forward and backward. Okay, so let's take an example of a string. Let's say this is a string, race car. Okay, so this is a string given to us. So check if it is a palindrome or not. So when we are reading this string from forward, then it is like this: R A C E C A R. Okay, so same alphabets, like first we encounter R, then we read A, then we read C, then we read E, then we read C, then we read A, and then we read R. Okay, now let's read this string from backward. Okay, so first we reach this at this position R, then we read A. Okay, then we read this C, then after that we read this E, then after that we read this C, then after that we read this A, and then after that we read this R. Okay, so see here, both the strings are same, race car, and this is also race car, so both are matching. So this means that this string is palindromic. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with what is palindromic string. Okay, so now in this example 1, so this is a verse which consists of strings, so it is a strings of array. Okay, it is strings array, and in this we have to find the first palindromic substring. So ABC is a palindromic? No. CAR is palindromic? No. But this ADA is the first string that we have encountered in this strings array, which is palindromic. So the output is going to be ADA. Okay. So after that, this race car is also palindromic, but we didn't return it because we have to just return the first palindromic string in the array. Okay, and this is the example 2, so it is same like previous example. So first palindromic string is race car, so we have returned this race car in the output. And after that, in this string there is no palindromic strings available. See here, DEF, this is not palindromic, this GHI is not palindromic, so in that case we have to just return the empty string. Okay, so we have to just return the empty string. Okay, so now how we are going to check if this string is a palindromic or not? So let's understand this with the same example. Okay, so this is a string race car. Okay, so we are going to use two int variables. We are going to start from this index I. So let's say we are going to start from this. This is a start, and this is a k position. Let's say k is nothing but the end index of any string. Okay, so k is nothing but the length of this string, that is string dot length minus 1. So if I use this, then I reach at this index. Okay, so first what I'm going to check, if my start is greater than k. So start is not greater than k, right? In this condition, start is at this index. So these are the index, right? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Okay, so my start is greater than k. Start is at 0 right now and k is at 6, so this is not true. So if this is not true, then I have to check whether my character at this index and my character at this index are matching. So this R is matching with this R. Yes, if this is true, then what's going to happen? Then my start is going to move one step forward. So that simply means that this character becomes my new start. Okay. So I am incrementing the start as start plus 1, and I am going to decrement the k with k minus 1. So my new k is this one. Okay. Again, I have to check if my start is, that is this index 1, is greater than this k 5. So this is not true. So I am going to again compare the characters. If both the characters at this index 1 and index 5 are matching. So if they are matching, then in that case I have to go forward. So now this becomes my new start and this becomes my new k. Okay. So now again the index 2 is not greater than 4. Okay, so we move forward and we check whether the character at index 2 and character at index 4 are matching. Yes, they both are matching. Then after that, this becomes my new start and this same character becomes my new k. Okay, so now again this condition is not satisfied because start and k both are same. So start is not greater than k. So again I have compared if my character at this index start and if my character at this index, that's k, both are same. So yes, since the index is same, so both the characters are also same. Okay, it's true. So now after that my start reaches at this c. Okay, my start reaches at this c, that is this 4, and my k reaches at this 2. Okay, so now in this case my start is greater than k. So if my start becomes greater than k at any point of time, then in that case I have to return true. True means that my string is palindromic. Okay, so true simply means that my string is palindromic. If at some point of time, let's say here it is E and here it is E, here it is A, here it is E. If the both characters are false at any point of time at the start and k, then in that case I have to return false. But in this particular string, I have reached this step, start is greater than k. So I have to just return true because all the characters, because the string is palindromic. Okay, because the string is palindromic. So now let's solve this problem. I have explained the logic to you. So now let's try to solve this problem. Okay, one by one. So first, this is a function method given to us in our class solution. Public string first palindromic and string words array is given to us. So first let's calculate the length of this words array. Okay, so to calculate the length I have to write like this, words dot length. Okay, so here I have got the length of my words array string. Okay, after that let's start with, let's run one loop. Okay, for int I is equal to 0 and it is going to run till n less than n and I plus plus, and here now I am going to get one, let's take one string. Okay, because this is a strings array, so first I need to get this string. Okay, in order to get this string, so I am going to create one variable string. Okay, string str of string type, and here in this I am passing the value of my words of I. So initially when I is 0, so that simply means that I am at this position. So first the string that I am going to check is ABC. Okay, so this is the string first that I am going to check, and after that this k is nothing but the length of this string. Okay, so I have to write like this. This is a string, so for string we calculate the length like this, length and then open close braces. Okay, so this is the length of this string. Okay, now I have to check if this string is palindrome. So I am going to use one method. In this method I am going to pass this string, and this string is going to start from 0, because I have to give my start as 0, so from this point, and my C is going to be nothing but K. Okay, so I am giving this as K, or you can pass K minus 1 because at this index now, so this is K minus 1, K is going to be 3, so K minus 1 is 2, so I am at this index 2. Okay, so if this condition is true, then I have to return the string. Okay, if this is the if I have encountered any first string that is palindromic, so I am going to return true. Okay, if I didn't find anything, that in that case I have to just return the empty string. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this. Now here let's define this method. Okay, check method. So here I am going to create one boolean, private boolean check, and in this check we are passing one string, so string of str, and after that I am passing what my start point, and after that I am passing my end point, so K. Okay, int K. Okay, so here you guys must be puzzled that here I am passing K minus 1 and here K, so let's take K here. Okay, for simplicity, but we can do like this. Okay, so this K is nothing but 3 right now. Okay, so K is 3 right now. So here first I have told you that we have to check if my start is greater than K at any point of time, then I have to just return what I have to return true. Okay, return true, return true. Okay, and after that I am going to check if string dot char at this particular index, that is my start, right, start is equal to string dot char at this index K minus 1. Okay, initially K minus 1 because I have to check with this 2. Okay, in this if this is true, then in that case I have to again do a call for this method check, and now we are going to check for the same string, but my start is going to be incremented by 1 and K is going to be decremented by 1. Okay, so here if this condition is not satisfied at any point of time, then we have to just return false. Return false. Okay, so now let's try to run our code and see if there are any issues with our code. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So our solution is accepted. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. Okay, if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Okay, and till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.